Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use threads on Instagram. So first you just have to go to your Google Play Store if you're using Android or App Store if you're using iPhone. And then here you have to go to the search bar and then type threads. Click this one and see that install button, tap that one. You have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is installing. Once done, you're gonna open or launch the application, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now here, for you to proceed with threads, you can select that Instagram account that you want to connect with your threads right here. If you have your Instagram account logged into your Instagram application, then all you have to do is to proceed. But if you're looking for other accounts right here, then you can tap the switch profiles and then look for that specific profile or account on Instagram that you want to connect with your threads. So for me, I have to tap this account right here, which is my Instagram account. So you just have to wait as it is getting ready. And this is what it looks like. It looks like a bit of a Twitter, but it's kind of different. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do in order for you to post something is you have to click this what's new. For example, you want to post something like hi. And after that, you can also add something like add to thread. For example, there are tons of things that you want to say like hello, guess what? Check out my new album, or here is my latest album, then you can simply add it right here. So this is why it is called threads. Okay, so you can post as much as you can. You can also add pictures if you wanted to. Let's just say, for example, if you want to attach or add a picture, you just have to click this picture icon right here, import something, import an image from your gallery. If you want to add GIFs, then you just have to search for that here. If you want to add hashtags or if you want to create a poll, then all you have to do is to click that icon right here. And also, you can adjust or you can filter who can reply, quote, and vote for your post. So you just have to click this one right here, anyone, profiles you follow, or mentioned only. So you can select from any of this option right here. And then once done, click check, then try to post. So this is the home. You can see different threads here. If you go to the search icon, you can look for the specific account that you want to follow and to post something. Plus is the shortcut if you want to create a new thread. And then heart if you want to like a post or if you have received a like from someone, and then tap this person icon. If you want to edit your profile, tap edit profile right here, add bio, link. If you want to set your profile to private, you can do that. Share profile if you want to share this to anyone. If you tap this globe icon at the top left corner, then you can set your profile into public or private. Also, you can see here mentions, muted, hidden words, profiles to follow, and so on. So basically, that's how you use threads. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.